Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by matching the basics: phone and TV on the same Wi-Fi network and the TV set to the correct mirroring input. Once done, open your phone's Quick Settings or Control Center. This is where Screen Share tools live. Make sure Bluetooth is off or ignored. Wi-Fi handles the stream. Tap the cast or screen mirroring icon and let the phone scan. If a device appears, select it. This begins the handshake, which authenticates and prepares the video pipe. Once you select the TV, you'll often see a PIN or confirmation prompt. Accept it on the TV or phone to complete pairing. Next, choose the app you want to mirror. Some apps use a built-in cast button for better quality, while full screen mirroring sends everything on your display. Make sure orientation is correct and set volume on both devices. Buffering can be reduced by closing heavy background apps. If latency appears, lower resolution in app settings or move closer to the router. To finish, stop casting from your phone's control center or the app's cast icon. This cleanly ends the session. If you can't connect, restart the TV app, power cycle the router, and reboot the phone. Firmware mismatches also break handshakes, so update when possible. Make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi band, sometimes switching from 5 GHz to 2. 4 GHz or plugging the TV into Ethernet resolves stubborn dropouts. Finally, try a different app to isolate the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.